0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
All right, so we got a happy customer. So this is one of the cars from our first Velocity auto sales transaction where they got it through the auction. We helped them find the car. Great condition. It's for a college student. Make sure we got a nice, reliable Honda, and we're doing the detailing inside and out, and she'll be good to go. Have a nice, reliable vehicle when she's at school upstate, and she's family, and it takes a village, you know what I'm saying, to take care of all these kids. You know what I mean? So, yeah. www.velocityauto.com. That's VELOCITTI auto. All right, 2 T's and an I. We spell the velocity a little differently. Okay. Cohen's Auto Collision is the repair/maintenance arm, and Bishop Rentals is where you buy the cars and get the service.
Oh, that's real good.
He was asking me if they trade in the car, where does it go? They say they send it to auction. He said, where do they send it? More than likely, I said to Odessa if it's a dealer.
Okay. All right, what
It should be like, what is a good beater?
Okay.
Now you see this slight damage on the side. It's missing the hubcap. It has 166 on it. When it runs and drives, it's a 2015. This is a $2,500 car.
Right. You could put in work to it later on if you want to fix it up. But, these are cars for the low, for people who, just trying to make ends meet, get to work, reliable. It runs. It's not in the best condition, but say you start making a little money, you can start hooking it up, and we're here for you. With Cohen's Auto Collision and Bishop Rentals and Velocity. We have the network, and we'll take care of you. So, $2,500 as is. You want us to do a little sprucing up? Stop by Cohen's or visit cohensauto.com, and we could talk about some economical fixes. Something that won't break your bank but make the car look a little more decent. You said what? This is another beater?
Another beater.
Okay. Is this on the site for sale? No. Okay.
$2,000 is a trade-in.
Hell yeah, put it up there then. And have people go through there and buy it. Get them used to going there. What's up, folks? So here, this is Bishop Rental Service. This is where we have the inventory of cars. This is where we do the car sales, and sometimes we do the rental. So this is our little office space. I'll show you a little bit more in some other videos, little office space. And today's video is really just gonna be about the Velocity Way versus the traditional way, right? So I got a little bit of notes here. I'm going to be looking down and reading a little bit, but this is just to get you guys up to date with what we've been doing. I told you guys we're going to be adding value, and I have some new business ventures coming out, and this is one of them. So Velocity is up and running. We're live, so go to velocityauto.com and you can check out our new site. It'll tell you a little bit about what we do and all the services. We basically are revolutionizing the car sales, repair, rental process. So, we want it all to be in one spot, and for you guys to come to us and we handle all of that stuff for you. And even if we don't handle it all for you, we can advise you on the best practices to go about handling it, right? So we want to be very transparent and trustworthy people, so you guys can come and feel like you're getting a better deal than going to the dealerships, because you know what it's like going to these dealerships nowadays. No one wants to do it, and the trends are showing that people are starting to buy online, buy their cars online and stuff like that. So we're just positioning ourselves to better help you, okay? So basically, the Velocitii Way versus the traditional way. We're revolutionizing your car buying experience with Velocity Auto Group, okay? Welcome to the Auto Group. We're here, we're redefining the car buying experience, like I said before. Discover how our innovative online platform saves you time, money, and stress, right? Say goodbye to the hassles and say hello to the savings. Because if you go through us, you're going to significantly save money than if you go to a traditional dealership. Also, time and stress, like we said. You're not going to have to waste your time going there anymore. You basically schedule with us, and we work with your schedule as to when you want to maybe test drive, take a look at the car. We can send you pictures, different things like that. So it's just a little bit more personal way of dealing with people, and I think it's moving to that direction. So anyway, the traditional car buying process, you guys know, endless dealership visits, like I just said, haggling over prices, paperwork, time consuming, is usually more expensive, like I said. The traditional car buying process, all types of dealership stuff you gotta go through. So let's go now with our process, Velocity. We streamline the whole thing online. So you can go online, you can figure out what we're doing. You can go look at our inventory of cars, you can click apply online for it, see if we still have it in inventory, and we'll get it to you. If you have a car that you're trying to get through an auction, we can also help you from the beginning to the end. Get it to my shop to make sure it's mechanically sound and it's cosmetically sound, and we're good to go. Right? So, and that's it. We're very transparent. There's no hidden fees. We tell you exactly what we're making, so you know that we're not running off to the bank. Okay, so you know what we're making out of it. It's a business, so we have to make something, and it's very transparent. So anyway, we also have financing options if you guys go to your banks and you want to get out loans and finance the vehicles or lease the vehicles. So just hit us up and we'll work with you. We work with other companies. If we don't have it, we also have some affiliates that we could probably hook you up with, right? But going through our network is going to save you time, money, and stress. All right. So stay tuned. We got more to come. We got online browsing, digital paperwork. Everything's online nowadays. So instant financing approval. We're following the industry trends. We're trying to stay ahead of the game and follow how, like I said, it's shifting to online. So we actually also use AI to help us stay on top of everything and provide you with better service. Okay, so that's basically it. So again, the website, www.velocityauto.com, and that's VELOCITTIAUTO.com. Our email address is the same thing, velocityauto@velocityauto.com. And check us out, man. I'm excited. All right, stay tuned for more videos.